Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the self, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. When the wickedness of Jamaica go stop, my people. When the crueltiness go stop against our own brothers and our own sisters, my people. When mankind heart go stop be so wicked and be so cruel and be so vicious against our own brothers and sisters, my people. When will it stop? Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So right about now, my people, them say super dad was murdered. Them say best baby father was murdered, my people. Them say daddy, top Jamaican father, top Jamaican daddy, who has received award for good father and for good parenting, my people, you understand, was murdered. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So the aunt, my people, for this youth and all my people, sadly, a taxi youth who was murdered, my viewers and subscribers in KINGST0N, Jamaica. You understand? Speaking out, and me just have a look at headings to just share it to all people. Because me just want to read the headings so we get a full understanding of what go on, my people. Sadly, Jaja says Jaja knows, man. The man them curly, man. Jaja. So, it's a Fabian B. Pot, Zane, and them say 68, her nephew, Sega B. Pot 31, was way more than just a taxi driver. He was a hero to his 10-year-old daughter. But last Saturday, Sega's body was discovered about 6:05 p.m. in a gully along Newland Bridge and Game Road in KINGST0N 13. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Them kill the youth, my people. Multiple gunshot wounds and dash him down in a one gully like one old piece of thing. You understand? Them murder him and fling him down in the gully. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. And the aunt for him people say she cannot believe. You understand? Because this youth was a good youth. Everybody loved him, my people. And he was more than just a taxi driver, my people. He was a great father to his 10-year-old. And she said right now, my people, the 10-year-old, like, she can't have in her mind say her father gone, her father dead. Because right now, she rear her daddy close them. You know what I mean, my people? Because it's like she can't just only say, you know what, daddy gone. It's like it a traumatize her, people. It a mash up her just 10-year-old. And the wicked sin thing then comes about, my people, and manage to murder the man, just 31 years old, my people, and dash him in a one gully. Well, for the aunt, she has said him not know of this man as a taxi driver, people, have no criminal records or no criminal history, where him and person would have really have that, you know what I mean, that few day where they want to really do him something like that, my people. But basically, I want them to pray, people, so everything will come off of jealousy. A woman vibes, you understand? Because she has said, our nephew, you know what I mean, my people, a road boy in other way, I mean, Gallus boy, you understand, have him cool here and thing, my people, and a lot of girls like him, a lot of girls of him, but you don't know for some man, my people, even when them and a woman mash up in them people, and for a woman as a certain man, trouble is there, problem did there, because them just feel like so the woman tuntuna for them forever, and then the woman decide and say, look at the man, me done with you, no longer want you, me done with you, it finish it over, enough for them head and for them mentality, say, look at the man, you can't go nowhere. You always go be mine. You always go be for me. That's why them a pray. That's why them a think, my people. And sadly, look what them do. They look at you, my people. Look what them do, Fabian. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Well, my people, them take the youth, right? And dash him down there.
Viewers and subscribers of NEWLINK Productions, NEWLINK and Islandwide Express go all the way back when it comes to shipping from anywhere around the world to the doorstep in Jamaica. Islandwide Express is the choice shipping company for NEWLINK Productions. Jamaicans abroad and Jamaicans abroad can ship anything to the doorstep in Jamaica. Islandwide Express have moved all geographical boundaries. Jamaicans abroad and Jamaicans abroad, you can ship anything to your doorstep in Jamaica. Islandwide Express has revolutionized shipping and moved all geographical boundaries. So, Jamaicans, no matter where you are, whether it's in Canada, Cayman, US, Bermuda, England. If you desire to send a package back home, whether it's big or small, a box of groceries or a TV to mama, choose Islandwide Express. NEWLINK said so.
Dash him done there in a gully. Just 31. Them dash him, as me I tell the people, them say all him hand them tie up, foot tie up. Who much chat to body. Fling him weird down there in a one gully in a precipice, my people. Taxi gone. Shajat, my people. The mankind are wicked, you know. Mankind are cruel yard, you know. And that's why I tell you have to be careful of them. You can't trust the body. Even the woman, them the lamp pile, them, some of them lamp pile, my people careful of them, because some of them are set up a lot of man, my people. Lot of man get set up by these lamp pile. So you really have to be careful. And you can't trust nobody. See? Oh my world, oh my people. So I just hope say the police, them can get swift action into this. Even though I get reports, you know what? Them have leads, and that's why them can't disclose certain things, but them have leads where them are pre, and you know maybe that leads that can help them to solve what really happened and what really took place. But as I tell people, news is that, so you are jealousy, everything I come off. You know what I mean, the people? Jealousy. But which one? That's the talk, you know. Which one? Because you don't know the thing of my people. When I'm on a gal, it's not my people. And you hear him have one catty dessa, and where the talk you go here? Which one? Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Because when I fling the local teal here, there, round there, and every local where, and something like this happen, people, you don't even know which one it a come off. Because so much lamp pile upon your name. No make them setting up you, no make them chicken up, be smart, be wise. Because some of them will come look beautiful, tattoo upon leg, well bleached shirt, look so with the big bumper around the back them, and what? They make you feel up, they make you feel turn up. But a pity you don't know, so look at them man, and them come to make we lose the 3 points, so you have to be careful, you have to stay firm, you have to stay strong, and don't get weak, and make them something to deceive on the youth. Be careful out there. Sadly, young local youth lose them 3 points, all because of what them say, lamp pile. And you see what the same thing them do, my people? Them deal with the man away, them take him and do what them want to do with them, my people. Saka him, beat him up first. You understand? Take out him, look money out of the car, the taxi car. All the silver the boy them gone with. Everything. And then do what my people? Take him and dash him down there in that one gully. Spray him up, pop, 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 pop. See? That's how cruel people is. That's how wicked people is. And that's why I tell you them be careful. And we can see from recent days and coming on how much taxi man being victim in Jamaica with this thing and my people, crime and violence. Careful out there, youth. Careful. The street, in the street, is not like 10, 20 years ago. It is different now. Because the way mankind of think now and the way mankind of pray now, them not pray nothing with sense and them not pray nothing good. All in them head nowadays is wickedness, crueltiness, envy, grudge, jealousy. And as me tell you the biggest thing when they come on to the lamp pile, them people, worse when them stay a certain way and worse when them go there with certain type of sin thing, it never over, it never finish. You always see me, you always gonna be mine. You understand? To them, them never give up. Them never give up. Ladies, allow me to tell, talk it. Them stalk on there, them stalk on everywhere. Sometimes when I go on a party with a friend, one of them left all 3 years ago. And when them soon, them just feel like say, are still for them. All in the end of the day, they have 10 women in the lot. See? Real talk, real meds. But you don't know where the thing go. The people, you just have to be careful out there. You understand? Be careful. And you can't trust people. Big up on yourself. More love, more blessings, and more respect, my people. Thanks to the love, the like, the share, and the comments to me. You don't know what the thing go. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Attacking boss. Peace out, my people. Just be safe out there. You understand? As I'm telling you, don't trust people. Can't trust none of them. Remember that. Attack. Big up. Blessings.